It is a big-ticket item. Canadians and Americans spent almost $250 million on it last year. Pet insurance is big business thanks to owners who want to keep their animals healthy. But is it a good deal? Consumer reporter Chris Olson investigates.
She's a funny girl.
Azim Kareem and a friend are remembering Maquette, a lively border collie cross who died in June after a short illness.
I've never had a pet before. She was sort of my firstborn.
When Maquette was a puppy, Azim started buying pet health insurance. He estimates he's paid over $6,000 in premiums over the last 13 years. But his coverage wasn't what he was banking on.
Well, that's what insurance is for. You pay up front, just in case something happens, they kick in.
Maquette developed a thyroid problem in May, which required hospitalization, blood transfusions, and intensive care. The insurance company paid 80% of the vet bill, about $1,400. Azim paid the other 20% and a $500 deductible. But then Azim got a letter saying in the future the company would now only pay 50% of any medical costs, not 80%.
And then you read at the contract, it says that they can change the rules whenever they feel like it.
The policy says if your pet has greater than average claims in 24 months, the percentage of the claim you're responsible for will increase. It's that sort of fine print you have to read before signing up for pet health insurance.
You have to look carefully at what's covered and, more importantly, what's not covered.
Accidents, for example, are covered in basic policies, so incidents like the recent tainted pet food would likely be covered. But most pet insurance policies won't cover pre-existing conditions, hereditary or congenital problems, and will limit coverage for older pets. Maquette died before Azim had to make another claim, but he says next time he won't be getting pet health insurance.
I think if anyone wants to have a pet, they should have $2,000 in their account under the pet's name, and then put in $50 a month every month. Just anything happens.
Another way pet owners can save money on treatment is to get a second opinion to see if the procedure is really necessary and that you're paying a reasonable price for it, as vet charges do vary. Until next time, I'm Chris Olson on your side.
Have you ever had